Let's see it, bud.
Okay. Come on, James.
Look at that guy go. Like a pro, second day on the bike.
Around me.
Aren't you gonna go around Mom?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't want to.
Well, keep going. Don't stop here.
Go to the finish line. You didn't go to the finish line.
Why'd you stop, buddy? I don't think that's true. Give me a thumbs up. What? Why down?
Thumbs up, right down.
Alright, let's go again. Go right around Mom.
Alright.
Ready? Pedal. Pedal.
Oh my God.
Okay, watch where you're going. Go around this side.
Go on the. Go behind Mom.
Now turn and go around. Now go to the finish line. Make it all the way to the finish line so you get ice cream and red top. All the way to the finish line.
All the way to the fire hydrant.
Go to the finish line, James. Woo! Watch where you're going.
Pedal, pedal, pedal. Hard, hard, hard. Look at you.
Good job.
Awesome work, bud.
Woo!